Yo, check this out.
Just over 2 megajoules of laser light in, 3.1 megajoules of fusion out. December 5th, 2022. A 2 millimeter pellet at Lawrence Livermore gave back more energy than the lasers put into it. That pellet is gone. It burned in about 100 picoseconds. No magnetic bottle. The only thing confining the fuel is its own inertia. To run a power plant, you need the next one. 10 times a second. 10 a second, all year, is roughly 315 million targets. Livermore builds them by hand, one at a time, over weeks. Each hand-built cryogenic target runs an estimated $50,000 to $100,000. An analyst figure from program statements, not a price list. A plant needs them under $1. That gap is a tolerance problem. A 2 millimeter shell of high-density carbon, or beryllium, lined with deuterium tritium ice, whose roughness is held to tens of nanometers. And that shell has to be hit from every side at once. Asymmetry has to stay inside a few percent, because 1% error doesn't cost 1%. It mixes cold shell into the hot spot and can cut yield by a factor of several. The physics itself is settled enough to build on. Abu Shawareb and colleagues published the ignition shot in Physical Review Letters in 2024. Over 400 citations. NIF has since passed 5 megajoules on multiple shots. So the interesting patents aren't about lasers. One filing, US 8,393,066, covers 6 robotic manipulators assembling a single target to submicron precision. A second covers clearing radiation and debris from the chamber after every shot. Because 10 times a second, the first wall and the final optic have to survive it, and you still have to aim. The target gets fired into a hot chamber, tracked in flight to tens of micrometers, and hit dead center. Nobody has shown that at 10 Hertz, which means this isn't plasma physics anymore. If inertial fusion ships, it ships as mass manufacturing, cryogenics, and optics. None of it demonstrated at rate. So the thing that decides it may be a factory, not a laser. We hedge where the sources hedge. Full report at KPsphere.com. Subscribe for daily emerging tech intelligence.
That's it. Sources below. All of them real.